Hi, this is Nick George with Clouds Diamond Sharpening, just to show you a demonstration video of Andis clipper blade sharpening. Full Andis. Alright, let's go to the table. Alright, first thing I notice is we'll go ahead and show this. See the orange in the groove in the surface area of the metal right there? That's from unoiled blade. See how it turns orange? It is not turning to gold. That is actually rust. So if your blades are turning yellow or golden, they're not becoming worth more money. They're actually becoming worth less money. It's rust, not gold. Okay, so here we go. We'll just go ahead and sharpen these up. They'll probably need to be sharpened about 3 times, so that removed 3 sharpenings off that blade. She'll still probably get about 25 sharpenings through me, but you know, it could have been 28. Now it's only 25. Alright, here we go. I remove as less metal as I have to, and my sharpening polishes sharp instead of grinds it sharp. But not only that, you're really not even paying for the diamond quality. You're really actually paying for the shape of the wheel. It lasts longer than any other sharpening wheel I've ever used, and I've used all of them. Traco, Nebraska, I've even done some homemade ones, and their wheels are nowhere compared to what my grandpa's wheel is. But don't take my word for it, just go ahead and send them on my way. I haven't lost a customer yet. They love me. Alright, well, just go ahead and try me and have fun, and then love your job more. Alright, well, let's get to work. You see the orange grooves in there? Well, that's more life off the blade than if they would just used oil. That wouldn't be there. I'm 100% positive it wouldn't be. But it's okay if you guys don't like oiling. I like money, and I like sharpening, so either way I'll get it done. Nice. Alright, now it's time to clean. We'll get a gander at this. Beautiful. It's not shit. It's not a flat wheel, guys. If you got a flat wheel, they're not gonna stay very sharp very long. Trust me. But yeah, that looks beautiful, guys. See, those are unoiled blades. They still look beautiful. Still have a lot of life. You can feel it. Cool. Let's put them back together. Great stuff. Alright, time to test them. You see that rattle? That's not good. We're gonna go ahead and fix that on this video. Let me put my pliers. Okay, so what happens is why that happens. See these two ears right here? They get spread out too far, and then the hinge that goes in between here, it rattles on the hinge. So you gotta squeeze these together, okay? So now if you never get your clippers serviced and all your blades are rattling, don't squeeze all these together. Simply replace your hinge. If it's just one blade, then you can just push those in a little bit and then pop it on and see if it rattles. If not, but if all your blades are rattling, so let's just go ahead and try this one. See, it's not rattling. Let's try this one. It's not rattling. So just this blade must have got dropped, or it just slightly maybe not oiled when it's pushing left and right, and it's hard to do it without oil. It's gonna bend this socket. So I just bend it in a little bit. I'm gonna pop it on. See? No rattle. Ta-da! It's like magic. I hope all these cut, because that's going to be super embarrassing. Man, what? I cut so good. Who sharpened these? Oh yeah, I did. What? I didn't believe that. Try it again. Try it on some other teeth. I don't believe you. What? You just got lucky and I just got lucky and got that one sharp. Well, we're gonna try this one. Maybe I got lucky again. Maybe my sharpening wheel is really good. I don't know why all these cut. No, I do. I've been doing this for a while. Keep it sharp, keep it running, keep it looking good, keep these Andis clipper blades coming into me. I service all products, even if there's no parts available, but if it does need a part and there's no parts available, I can't fix it. Okay, I can try my best to rig it and get it working, but if there is no parts, usually I recommend don't even try to get them repaired. If there is parts, all these are well worth it. My usually service costs, you know, 30 to 60. Use oil, you're gonna hit about in the 30 area. You unoil your blades and never get them sharpened, you might as well just go ahead and hit 60 to 80. That's just generally what happens. Oil your blades, guys. If you can't oil your blades, okay, you don't have to complain to me or anything or tell me sorry. I'll just sharpen them. Just know if your blades run out real fast, then it's because I have to remove too much metal to make that running surface clean again. Hope I didn't confuse you guys with that little speech there, but anyway, have a good day. Keep it sharp, keep it running, keep it looking good. Keep scissors coming in. Any video ideas, just hit me up in an email. I would prefer. But if you don't want to do it on email, just go ahead and do it on YouTube, and I'll try my best when I get that clipper to help you out. Alright, have a good day. Hi, this is Nick George with Clouds Diamond Sharpening, just to show you a demonstration video of Andis clipper blade sharpening. Full Andis. Alright, let's go to the table. Alright, first thing I notice is we'll go ahead and show this. See the orange in the groove in the surface area of the metal right there? That's from unoiled blade. See how it turns orange? It is not turning to gold. That is actually rust. So if your blades are turning yellow or golden, they're not